Hey friends, we're in the kitchen today, and let me show you one of my pet peeves. This is our under counter area. We're redesigning our cabinets, and quite frankly, this lid problem is just that. It's a problem. It's super messy. I hate the way it's organized. I have to delicately stack all these things to make sure they don't fall over and break. I need a solution. Check this out. This is made by July Home. It's an expandable lid organizer. The great thing is that it's not just for lids. You can actually use this for cookware, for bakeware, for office filing, for books. It can be used for all sorts of stuff. It's actually modular as well, meaning you can have a minimum size and just be storing a few things. And you can expand it all the way up to its maximum size here in order to store all of your pots and pans, or lids in our case. Let's take it out of the box and get this thing set up. Okay, inside the box, we're gonna find a couple of things. This is the base, and as you can see, it expands out to a maximum length of roughly that. And then we've got 7 of these little hangers. And these are what are going to be installed in these little slots. I'm gonna put a couple on here and let's see how they work. Okay, now based on the size of my lids, I'm actually going to be skipping every 2 slots and then installing a new one. And as you can see, as I put this one inside just like that, that leaves enough room for the little handle, and it can either slide like this or again stand up a little more straight. And again, look at that. It's just adding a lot more vertical organization to keep things nice and secure. All right, check that out. It looks really good, really organized, gives me the ability to pull things as necessary while keeping the other ones secure and in place. Okay, and there's everything in place. Definitely a cool product, friends. Thumbs up from us. Hopefully that helps make your shopping experience just a little bit easier. We'll put links in the description box below if you want to go grab this for yourself on Amazon. Stay tuned, we got a bunch more product tutorial videos coming up to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.